Ice cream in the morning. Oh, di ba, bongga?
Ano flavor?
Avocado?
Wow.
Yummy! Tapos pwede rin may tinapay. Sige na, biwid lang.
Hi! Welcome back to another vlog. Papunta kami ngayon sa Lucky Chinatown Mall.
Si Mark nag-intro. So, papunta nga kami na Lucky Chinatown. Kakain kami doon. My mom and my two sisters are already there. They're eating at SNR, pero we want to eat at Naday Fuji Soba, yung kinainin namin ng isang araw. Ang usahan ko ni Mark doon. Kasi meron silang udon.
Normal po yun, ha?
Nico Fuji Soba. Oh, yes. Nico Fuji Soba. Ano in-order mo, B?
Yung cold noodle.
Ha?
Yung chikuwa.
Cold noodle.
Fish cake.
Yum, fish cake. And then my favorite sa mga condiments nila is this one. I don't know what it's called, but it's like pangpa...
Pwede soba na lang siya. Soba na lang.
Pangpa... Tapos meron sila nito, yung crispy. Kuya, anong tawag dito?
Tempura beets ma'am.
Ah!
This one for noodles. Hot noodles.
Okay. Well, tempura beets. Wala pang 5 minutes, right? Mga 5 minutes. Yeah. Oh my gosh, andito na agad. I love it. So we're gonna try yung tempura beets. I love it.
Dami. Sarap.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Yum. Oh yes. Sarap? So cute. Gumagalaw.
Ito na yata siya.
Hindi yung may drinks.
421.
Ay, ito na. Andiyan na yung over.
Oreo, ano? Oreo cheesecake.
Oreo cheesecake. Nabuti na lang masarap kasi ang bagal nilang gumawa, no? Pero ang sarap, no? Really yummy. And then we got some donuts. Pareho tayo?
No. Choco Maltin yan sa akin.
Oh, okay. Akin Choco Loco yata yan. Choco Loco. Nani. We're buying lemonade. Simply lemon. Squeeze talaga. Sinisqueeze talaga nila doon. Bonggang-bongga. Tapos, we have our fries from Potato Corner. Mark is currently making dinner for us. This is the pasta we're using. It's from La Filipina, Linguini. Look what came in the mail, guys. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. It's from Boxed Blossom. Super ganda ng packaging. I love it. And these are real roses, guys. And according to the note, these are lovely Ecuadorian roses. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I love it. So, of course, you can get these at Boxed Blossoms. I'll have their link in the information box. Ang ganda, swear. Ang laki. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganito kalaking roses. Grabe. Kalurks, works. I love it. Thank you so much. Just got back home. Pumunta ako kila mama. I just brought some cookies for them. Pumunta kami ni Mark sa SM Manila to eat lunch since no Delicious Diet delivery for this week since Holy Week nga. I was craving for cookies again, so bumili ako ng Chips Ahoy Chewy. Gusto ko talaga yung mga chewy, yung mga medyo undercooked na cookies talaga. And guys, since sobrang mamamatay na yung yung cord ko. Pakita ko yung cord ko, nakakaloka. Like that, nakalabas na yung wire niya ng bonggang-bongga. So parang baka ma-electrocute ako or what, kaya natakot ako. So I decided to buy a new cord na. And 1,000 pesos. Tama ba? Yeah, 1,000 pesos. I tried looking at the cable sa Cable Monster, pero hindi siya kasha sa phone ko. So parang ang hassle naman bumili doon tapos hindi magkakasya. So I decided to go for an Apple cord again na alam ko naman masisira ulit after a few Anyway, we're going to open another package, guys. Hold on. Alright. From Fast Track. And this is from A. Malimban. Sino yun? Oh! It's from Damitan, Manila. Shucks. Thank you so much. Oh, shucks. Ito yung dress na gusto ko. Thank you! Thank you! I love it! It's a red dress na medyo, yung parang medyo may turtleneck pero hindi super. Tapos, dress siya. Oh, I love it. It's perfect. Thank you! Again, Damitan Manila. I'll have to link in the information box. Sa kanila galing yung t-shirt ko na gray, na very loose, na medyo may slit dito sa sides. Love it. I love it kasi parang very, ano siya, yung material niya, very soft, na parang preskong-presko. Bongga. Mark and I were supposed to go home to Indang today, pero nauna na si Mark, babalikan na lang niya ako. Since I still have work to finish, or work to do, I have to edit videos and film for you guys. Filming right now, guys. Putol-putol yung mga vlogs ko, but I'm just finishing a couple of videos para ma-upload ko na sila tomorrow. So anyway, I'm ending the vlog right now because I still have a few more videos to finish and I'm using the camera kasi. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!